Before jumping into this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Sarvesh Astra X channel for more useful videos on cutting-edge AI tools and technology. Google just dropped another absolute banger after releasing Gemini 3 just a day before, and now, hours later, they've unleashed Nano Banana Pro, their most advanced AI image generation model yet. This tool represents a massive leap forward in multimodal AI capabilities, combining unprecedented image understanding with creative generation features that were previously impossible. Nano Banana Pro isn't just an incremental update. It's a complete reimagining of what generative AI can do when handling complex, multi-character scenes with historical accuracy and contextual awareness. To access this powerhouse, head over to gemini.google.com. Once you're there, here's the critical step in model selection option. Aside from the text box, you need to choose Google's latest model, Thinking with 3 Pro, from the drop-down list. This is important because if you don't select this model and instead choose the Create Images option from the Tools list, it will default to Nano Banana's older model for image generation, and you'll miss out on the latest capabilities. Now, let me paste our first prompt, creating a high-stakes soccer match scenario with Messi and Ronaldo in a cyberpunk stadium. As it starts processing, you can clearly see it mentions it's using Nano Banana Pro. This confirmation tells us we're leveraging the latest technology. Look at the output, how clearly it depicts both characters within the scene, and check the facial matching accuracy. It's wild how precisely it captured their likenesses while maintaining the futuristic aesthetic we requested. This prompt focuses on creating a dynamic scene combining historical and modern figures in a futuristic setting. Look at the output, it's absolutely insane. The level of detail has improved dramatically. The rendering quality, the texture work, the lighting, it's phenomenal to witness this level of advancement. I tried another prompt, then I attempted a prompt featuring Elon Musk and Nikola Tesla on hoverboards traversing a post-apocalyptic cityscape. Look at the output, notice how Nikola Tesla's hoverboard matches his historical era with period-appropriate design elements, while Elon's hoverboard reflects contemporary technology and aesthetics. How is this even possible? It's thinking beyond what we think. The model is demonstrating contextual intelligence that goes far beyond simple image generation. I then tried a prompt depicting Steve Jobs in a modern tech environment. Really, I love seeing this scene come to life with such authenticity and detail. The composition, the lighting, everything feels purposeful and precise. Next, I tried a prompt with Freddie Mercury and Michael Jackson performing together, but this time I deliberately used a different aspect ratio to test whether it would generate exactly as requested. Look what it does. The output perfectly respects our requested aspect ratio. Oh man, this is the main feature we were missing in the past. Previous models struggled with consistent aspect ratio adherence, often distorting images to fit dimensions. Google has completely outplayed us with this update. Now you can generate images at any aspect ratio, whether it's 16:9 for thumbnails, 4:3 for posters, or 1:1 for social media without any quality loss or distortion. This aspect ratio precision is a game changer for content creators. Then I tested a prompt featuring Usain Bolt and Tiger Woods in a jungle obstacle course with ancient ruins. Look at the output, how natural the Usain Bolt action sequences are, how Tiger Woods' athletic posture is captured, and how the background adoptions seamlessly integrate both characters into the environment. I'm genuinely impressed by the environmental storytelling happening here. I then tried a wild idea, a prompt showing Donald Trump and Vladimir Putin playing chess in a regal palace surrounded by fireplaces. Glad to see the two powers on the same desk playing chess, rendered with such compositional balance and detail. Again, I tried a prompt with Mahatma Gandhi meditating on a floating lotus above an endless ocean under a starry night sky. The output is really good, the serenity, the cosmic scale, the spiritual atmosphere, it's all captured beautifully. After that, I tried generating a prompt featuring Messi coaching both Ronaldo and Neymar in an intense street soccer training session by the waterfront. You can see 3 legends in a single poster, which is exactly what more football fans have been wanting. Nano Banana Pro made it easily, rendering all 3 figures with distinct personalities and skill levels clearly visible. Now, this is where it gets really interesting for content creators like us. I tried generating a thumbnail using my own face. If you can see, I uploaded a portrait-style image which is in vertical size, but at the end of the prompt, I mentioned clearly the ratio as 16:9. And guess what? It just adopts the image into our requested size perfectly. Now I really don't need to do any additional edits using other tools. This premium feature is now free for everyone. The AI intelligently rescales and recomposes the image while maintaining facial details and expression integrity. Again, I tried a different thumbnail generation prompt but without uploading a new image. As you can see, it just carried the previous image of mine which was uploaded before this prompt. The memory system has updated properly and maintains context across generations. And even the results are insane compared to what we get from other tools, which is absolutely great. So there you have it. Nano Banana Pro is absolutely transforming how we create multimodal content. The precision, the context awareness, the aspect ratio flexibility, the memory retention, it's all revolutionary. If you want more detailed walkthroughs of Gemini 3, Gemini Anti-Gravity, coding clients, Canvas tools, and AI Studio functionalities, make sure to like, share, follow, and subscribe to the Sarvesh Astrax channel for more cutting-edge AI tutorials and technology explorations.